If you suffer from severe allergies or asthma, or you're sensitive to poor air quality, then this message is for you. When smoke, ash, pet dander, and other allergens infiltrate your home's duct system, it can make the air inside just as bad as the air outside. Depending on your individual need, Bob's Air Repair offers options to help improve the air you breathe in your home. One option is a duct cleaning. This thorough cleaning process helps rid your home's duct system of dust mites, mold spores, pet dander, and other allergens. Another option is to purify the air with the addition of a high-performance activated charcoal filter system that absorbs unwanted pet and cooking odors as well as smoke odor. A third option is AeroSeal, which locates holes, gaps, and gashes in your duct system and seals them from the inside, which will keep clean air in and bad air out. Any of these options will significantly improve the air quality in your home. So breathe easy and call Bob's Air Repair at 345-9800.